So it's Wednesday morning now. We did come back yesterday. We did stay here yesterday. So by the time Jeremy got back, it was kind of getting late to go to the movie. But I came out anyways. I was able to go to my neighbor's and get the weed whacker. So I was able to cut the rest of the grass, or at least most of it. And then I moved a few more of the pine boards. So I really don't have that much left to do today, which is really awesome. I'll show you what I have left here and get moving it.
So just that, and it's just after 9 o'clock in the morning, so I thought I would start before it's too hot. I'm wearing like a sweater, and I think I need to take it off instantly. And here's my pile over here. It's hard to see because it's so sunny. It's my big pile of wood. More over that way. It's coming together though. Yard's looking way better. Around the house looks good. So I can't finish these boards because I seem to have a major ant problem. I don't know if you can see or not. But they're all over the board, so I moved most of them. I was able to shake a bunch of the ants off, but they're really bad in this section, so I'm going to have to go to the store and buy some Raid or something and spray it on here before I move them, because I don't want them to be staying on these boards because they're coming in the house later. So that just puts a bit of a hold on what I'm doing today.
So I went and got some Raid, came back and sprayed the boards, and yeah, it looks good. I got indoor Raid, so if we ever need it in the future in the house that we could use it. So I'm finally going to continue moving these last few boards. I'm so tired of moving them, so I just want this job to be over. I never ever thought of putting the camera on this angle so you could actually see me move the boards and stack them. Isn't that crazy? Until the very end, and now I walked out this back door and had the camera in my hands. That's the only reason I even thought of it. My goodness, I'm a good cameraman.
So we just moved the scaffold from that end of the other end of the house over here, and Jeremy's going to start working on this side of the roof. And I'm going to keep moving this friggin' pine.
This little like lizardy salamander thing. Here we go, buddy. Here. Can you see him? Oh, 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 shoot. Dropped him.
show you what we finished up here. So got that married into that one. Got the, I can't see really, the box return up here. So now we're ready to, oh my goodness, that sun is bright. Let me get over this side. We're ready to do this. Anyhow, ready to do the gable. And out front here, all that cleanup Ashley did. Oops, looking down at the ground. Looks awesome. Once we're done up here, we can get right through here. We'll stack the rest of that wood. But lots of room, way bigger area. Gonna move the boat side by side. Maybe we'll park everything over here. So that's what we got going on. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. We'll see you.